In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. If you collaborate with people who work in Excel, exporting your Google Sheets the right way ensures your fonts, colors, borders, column widths, and number formats carry over cleanly. Follow along and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start in any web browser and go to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that owns or has access to the spreadsheet you want to convert. At the top right of the page, look for the Google Apps launcher, the small grid of 9 dots next to your profile picture. Click that to open the menu of Google Apps. From the Apps menu, click on Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you don't see it immediately, you can scroll the panel or choose More to reveal additional apps. This takes you into the Sheets dashboard where your recent files are listed, along with any spreadsheets stored in your drive. Open your document from the list or by navigating through your drive. Once it loads, take a moment to glance over the formatting you care about most. Things like bold headers, background fills, borders, merged cells, frozen rows or columns, and number formats for dates, currencies, or percentages. The export we're about to do is designed to preserve these, so confirming everything looks right here helps ensure a clean result. Now move to the top left of the Google Sheets window and click File to open the main menu. In that menu, hover your mouse over Download. You'll see several file types appear in a submenu. This is where the conversion happens. Click Microsoft Excel, XLSX. Google Sheets will create an Excel-friendly version of your file, and your browser will begin downloading it automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it may save to your default Downloads folder or ask you to choose a location. The downloaded file keeps the .xlsx extension and typically uses the same name as your original sheet. A quick note on what carries over and what might not. Formatting such as fonts, cell colors, borders, merged cells, wrapped text, column widths, row heights, and most number formats generally transfer well. Basic formulas typically come through too. Features that are unique to Google Sheets, like filter views, certain add-ons, or some advanced functions, may not behave exactly the same in Excel. That's normal, and it doesn't affect the core formatting you exported for. And that's it. You've converted your Google Sheet to an Excel file in a way that keeps your layout looking clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saved you time and preserved your formatting perfectly.